Ever dreamt of gliding across serene waters, soaking in the sun while effortlessly maneuvering your inflatable paddleboard? With the surge in popularity of paddle boarding, choosing the right one can make or break your adventure. In today's video, we'll explore the best inflatable paddleboards on the market, highlighting their unique features, durability, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie, finding the perfect board is crucial for maximizing fun and safety on the water. Let's dive in. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Bote Wulf Aero, the best value inflatable paddleboard. The Bote Wulf Aero offers a remarkable paddleboarding experience for beginners. This inflatable board gives you unmatched stability, making long rides enjoyable and fatigue-free. You won't believe how easily you can cover distances on this stand-up paddleboard. Versatile designs put a splash of style in your outdoor activities. Choose from an array of vibrant colors to match your personality. Those aesthetics combined with quality make this a standout choice among inflatable paddleboards. You'll appreciate how well it tracks on breezy days. Unlike other models, it delivers a smooth ride, even if your pace isn't lightning fast. Perfect for leisurely outings with friends, this board shines during casual adventures. Comfort is a big deal, but some might find the deck material a little rough on bare feet during extended use. The slight indentations may bother you if you paddle for long hours. Yet if you wear shoes or sandals, this won't be an issue at all. You'll love how easily this board can be stored and transported, making it a practical addition to your life. After enjoying countless adventures, consider passing it down when your child is ready to join you. If you want a fantastic beginner's paddleboard, check out the Bote Wulf Aero. It's an excellent investment for fun days on the water. At number 4, we have Pelican Inflatable Loungeboard, the best inflatable paddleboard for families. The Pelican Inflatable Loungeboard is a fantastic choice for families seeking adventure. Its spacious 39-inch width allows several kids to enjoy their time without crowding. You'll love how it comfortably accommodates up to 400 pounds, making it perfect for family outings or fun with friends. Stability is key on the water, and this board delivers. Despite feeling slightly less firm than rival models, you won't sacrifice balance. Navigating with the included paddle is a breeze, granting you confidence as you explore. Traction on the surface impresses, ensuring your feet stay put even during energetic moments. Customization shines with various fin options that easily lock in place. This feature helps adapt your experience for different water conditions. Carrying can be slightly tricky due to the bag's bulk. A backpack-style option would enhance the experience, but it remains manageable. Inflation might pose a bit of a challenge. Issues with the valve or pump can slow things down. Taking a moment to troubleshoot pays off when you finally launch into the water. What stands out most is how well this paddleboard fosters connection. Enjoying quality time on the water with family creates lasting memories. Overall, the Pelican Inflatable Loungeboard truly excels for family adventures. Dive deeper and discover the joy it can bring to your aquatic experiences. Still searching for the perfect inflatable paddleboard? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Gili Air Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, the best inflatable paddleboard for beginners. The Gili Air Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is your perfect companion for diving into this exciting sport. Built with high-quality PVC, this board is both robust and easy to control. Setup is quick, taking just 4 minutes with the included hand pump. Although you might find it handy to have a buddy help you attach the fins, the stability this board provides is worth the minor hassle. A wide base enhances your experience, making it more stable compared to other beginner models. You'll feel confident gliding across calm waters or tackling gentle waves. Weighing in a bit hefty when packed away, the included carry case offers a solution with durable straps and ample zippered pockets for your gear. This thoughtful design makes packing up after a day on the water much more manageable. What stands out most is how high-end this board feels. With 4 stylish color options, you'll look good while enjoying the great outdoors. Many comparable models don't offer such aesthetic appeal or quality at this level. On the flip side, while portability has its challenges, the sturdy case compensates greatly. It may take extra effort to carry, but you'll appreciate the solid protection it provides. Gili Air is simply the best inflatable paddleboard for beginners. Experience the joy of paddleboarding and discover more about this impressive board today. At number 2, we have Surfstar 10 feet 6 inches Advanced Star Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, the best mid-range inflatable paddleboard. The Surfstar 10 feet 6 inches Advanced Star Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is your golden ticket. This board strikes a fantastic balance between price, quality, and features, making it the best mid-range inflatable paddleboard around. Most importantly, its length and width offer impressive stability for beginners. You'll feel confident whether you're paddling in calm lakes or tackling mild ocean waters. Compared to similar models like the 10 feet 6 inches Red Ride Monocoque structural laminate, its slightly thicker design enriches buoyancy, allowing you to enjoy a higher center of gravity. While inflating takes a bit longer, the added stability makes every minute worth it. Included in your purchase are essential accessories: a paddle, pump, ankle leash, removable fin, and repair kit. You won't have to buy anything else to start your paddleboarding adventure. The waterproof phone case keeps your devices safe, and the backpack makes transport effortless. I appreciate the action camera mount with a universal thread, a rare find in this price range that allows you to capture your adventures easily. What could be improved? Inflating takes a little extra time, which can test your patience on a sunny day. However, knowing that this added thickness means a more stable experience makes it easier to wait. The Surfstar 10 feet 6 inches Advance Star combines quality and affordability perfectly. You'll find it hard not to enjoy everything this paddleboard offers. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have IsleSwitch, the best inflatable paddleboard overall. The IsleSwitch inflatable paddleboard stands out as the best inflatable paddleboard overall. Its versatility and stability make it a fantastic choice for everyone. One of the best features is its innovative design. At 35.5 inches wide and 6 inches tall, this board maintains impressive buoyancy, keeping you steady as you navigate various waters. Whether you prefer standing, sitting, or even kayaking, this board adapts to your desires seamlessly. Transitioning to kayak mode is a breeze, thanks to the included seat and footrest. It's not just stable on flat water, it holds its own in mild rapids too. Lightweight at just 19 pounds, the IsleSwitch is easy to carry and transport. You'll appreciate not feeling weighed down when heading to your favorite spot. Plus, the linking system allows you to customize your setup, whether you want a tandem paddle experience or connect multiple boards for a fun group outing. Small, thoughtful details like clear inflation instructions make it beginner-friendly. Installation of the fin offers 2 methods. While the bolt pin can take some extra care, it ensures the fin stays secure when in use. As you enjoy the ride, this minor detail won't dampen your spirit, especially considering how fun and easy it is to set up. The IsleSwitch delivers a perfect blend of excitement and functionality. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best inflatable paddleboards. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which inflatable paddleboard you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.